We actually come from the world of startups. We are a team of entrepreneurs, startup mentors, angel investors, and we are now on a mission to create an entrepreneurial ecosystem for schools in India. We believe very strongly that the time to start this process is in the K-12 space, where thinking has not been boxed in, where students are at their creative best. And we also strongly believe that entrepreneurship can be taught. For the longest time, there was a perception that entrepreneurs are born, not made. But we have been working with students as young as 9 and as old as 18. And we know that in this age group, the ability to learn is so strong that when you give them the right tools, they are those entrepreneurial skills do get built up. And the third thing we believe in is that entrepreneurship education is for every student. It is not just for students who aspire to be entrepreneurs. Of course, our mission is really to inspire more students to take up entrepreneurship and come out of schools and become the job creators and become the change makers for the country. But we also believe that even if a child is, the thinking skills that they develop, the entrepreneurial thinking skills, will serve them in good stead in those situations as well. And all said and done, it is a essential life skill. I think as COVID has taught us very recently that the world is unpredictable, and what we need to equip our students most is to really say, can I take any situation and make the most out of it? And that is what entrepreneurs do. They look at the environment, they see where the opportunities are, they have a huge amount of self-awareness, and they are able to build something of value for the world. So that is really our mission. We have been working with school students. We really feel it needs an ecosystem, and for that reason I am so glad this conversation is happening here today. We have so many educators and eminent speakers, the Entrepreneurship School, MEPSC, Colonel Malhotra. So it is really now I think at an India level, at a startup level, it has happened. Policy has come together. The VC ecosystem has developed in the last 15 years. And we also have the nuts and bolts, like the ease of doing business is a huge focus area now for the country. So, and that is why we've seen these 21 unicorns come out, right? Because the ecosystem has come together now for us as a country. And the same thing needs to happen at school level. And then there is going to be an even further bigger explosion of India on the world landscape, right? So for that, again, NEP has come and it has caused, it has given that impetus to this. And what we need to do now is, as educators, come together to create that ecosystem, whether it is sharing inspiring stories from the industry with school students, whether it is making sure that there is curriculum for teaching entrepreneurship at schools. And it is also about empowering teachers, so teacher training, and creating an online space where students, or an entrepreneurship lab where students can come and create and get mentored. So that is what we are all about. We are on this mission to help create this ecosystem for school students, and very happy to be here. Thank you.